Yeah, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. Let me share the screen. I hope everything is fine. Audio video is fine. Check one time. Is audio video is fine or not verified? I think this is the place where we stopped. This is the place where we stopped yesterday. So, alright, Python language follows call by reference. If mutable, if you modify anything, right? Same thing only will modify, nothing will be created. If immutable, if you change anything, new copy will be created, it will be updated. This is the place where we stopped. So we done the latest program. Afterwards, something about call by value, call by reference we spoken. So I will give some examples on the call by value, call by reference. Right? Let's go to today's class. I think it's a class, right? Let me write the date. Date I'm writing. It is a 16/5/26. 16/5/26 is the date. 16/5/26. I hope so. Let's check the date once again. 16/5/26. Right? Now I'm writing the topic name. Call by reference. Parameter passing technique. Call by reference. Passing technique in Python. Just I will give few examples, nothing there. Parameter passing technique in Python, which looks like a call by reference. Right? So we'll see some problems on that examples. Yesterday I given some hint to you. Now we will try some examples. Example 1. Right? Example 1. Let me verify, let me know audio video okay or not. Those people who are watching, please verify parameter passing technique in Python, call by reference. Yesterday, just I started a little bit. I will give the full clarity here. Example 1. So I'm giving now. Can you see this, everyone? Can you see this one, everyone? Yeah. Careful. This is the one. So see the first example. I will make little bigger also. So that you can see this. So it is there in our website also. I want to show to you that the reason I done. It is there in our website also. So one article I written on this. Right? See this one. Just go to ExamPrepTool website. ExamPrepTool.com. Just go to ExamPrepTool website. There you will find out GATE DA. See GATE CSC. Placement DSC system design GATE DA. You will find out GATE DA. In the GATE DA write on Python here. You will see Python articles. Is Python programming language call by value or call by reference? This is the article. See the first problem. Everyone see this one. This is the first problem. Right? This is the first problem. Right? I will make little bigger also. So that you can see clearly. This is. Now you can see this. See this problem one time. So call by value, call by reference. As I mentioned to you, Python programming language follows call by reference. Right? Python programming language follows call by reference. Right? But however, depending upon immutable, mutable, right? Behavior will change. See this code one time. Main program onwards you started. N is equal, right? Num is equal to 10. Modify immutable. Let us assume that immutable you are trying. So num is everyone know num is the integer. Integer 1, if you pass, right? Integer I passed by function. Say I called the function integer I am passing. Okay, I pass. When you pass integer x, if you observe clearly here, until here, if you don't modify, If you don't modify, it will go as a call by reference only. But when you try to modify immutable, you cannot modify, one new thing will be created. So until here, see, until here at this place, x is equal to x plus 1. Until here, it is a old object only. But when you do this one, it will become a new object. Modifications are going on in the new object. Whatever you do in this function, right? These all effects will not work out in this function. So immutable looks like a call by value. Immutable people look like a call by value, right? Try to remember immutable. If you don't change anything, it look like a call by reference. But remember, mutable, immutable will decide. Mutable, immutable will decide. If it is immutable, it look like a call by value, because whatever changes you will do here, it don't affect here. Right now, I'm going back. I'm writing now. Can you see this? Can you see this one? 11. Parameter passing technique in Python. Call by reference. Call by reference. For mutable people. For mutable, it look like a call by reference. Right? Next one. Call by value. For immutable people. In the new copy, you will do. Right? In the new copy, you will do. Right? Some examples we will see. We are seeing the examples also one by one. Right? Can you see the first example? Can you see the first example? This is the first example. Can you see this? Can you see the first example? This is right. I am copying here. So let's go here. Paste. I done this. Right, now see this. Is everything is okay? Any problem is there? So I will do this. Don't worry. So I am making the arrangements accordingly. Let's check. It's the main function. You can give whatever name you want. Only for your convenience, I'm executing. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. See this. It is a total story, right? I will execute also. Please listen. I will execute also. Please listen, everyone. Num is equal to 10. Modify immutable. Right? Print this one, something like this. So before that, I am printing also ID. That is only for your convenience. Print ID of num. Right? Before calling the function, I am printing so that you will get the clarity. After calling also I am printing. Here also I am printing. Before modification also I am printing. After modification also I will print. Then you will get the clarity. Run, I am running. I think no issue. Now see this one. If you observe clearly, first this address is printed. See this. First this address is printed for this first printf. So in the main function, num address is 3792. Okay, that is okay. In the main function, num address is 3792. So when you go to right function, when you go to function starting, that is also 3792. Starting that is also 3792. Right, now observe clearly. Everyone observe clearly. Modify immutable. So num is a immutable. 249503792. Let's see this one. X is equal to x plus 1. X you modify. X is modified. Oh, it's a num, na? Sorry for this. That is the reason problem came. Here x. This variable name is x here. This variable name is x here. We are printing x. Right now, let me run again. So, first time, right, in the main function, num address is 8912. In the function also, it is 8912 only, starting. But when you modify, because it is immutable, na? See, immutable, you are trying to modify, creates a new integer object and assign to local x. Print id of x. See, it is printed newly. So what I want to say is, in Python language, starting look like a call by reference. Same person only going. But afterwards, based on the immutable, mutable. Afterwards, based on the immutable and mutable. Right? Based on that, new object will be created. If you immutable person, if you try to update, new object will be created. So whatever changes you done, that will be done in the new object. That will be done in the new object. So old object will not affect. Now, if you print x here, right, I think new value will be printed. I think 11 will be printed. But when you come back, and if you print in the original, right, 10 only printed. Means originals are not affecting because it is immutable. Because it is immutable, originals will not affect them. Right, let me check. Right, let me check. So, right, first example it is. From the first example, you have to get to know. Right, I already shown also first example. See this one, immutable objects, originals will not affect. All modifications done, originals will not affect. Modifications done in the copy. Modifications done in copy. Originals will not affect. Modification is done in copy. Right, fine. So this is the one example I given. One example I shown also, right? This is the story. This is the story. If you see the output, right? So I already printed also. I already executed also. So for your convenience, I will give the print numbers also, so that you will get the convenience. Right? First printf, second printf. I'm giving numbers also so that you can easily see what is going on. It is the third printf. Right? So next one, it is the fourth printf. It is the fourth printf. It is the fifth printf. Right? Perfect. Now you run this, you will get the clarity. See, in the first printf, right? First time you are printing, in the main program, you are printing a num address 4912. Right? Afterwards, you went to the function. In the function, starting you printed the address 4912, no change. But when you do modification, it is immutable. Immutable, you are modifying. Immutable means you cannot change. You are changing. New object created. New object is created. So now you are printing the address. A new address is printed 4944. So afterwards, if you print the new value, right? New value, updated value will be printed. When you come back, right? Old value only will be printed. So the meaning of this line is immutable object, right? Parameter passing techniques only in Python. That is only we are discussing. This is the topic. Parameter passing technique in Python. Right? We are discussing this only. Call by reference for mutable, call by value for immutable. So this is exactly same. Right? Originals will not affect. Modification is done in the copy. This is nothing but a call by value. It's nothing but a call by value. One example we done. If you want one more example, I made ready also. Let's go to example 2. See, this is the example 2. So remember, string is, right? String is, everyone knows, string is immutable. Careful everyone, string is immutable. Everyone be careful, string is immutable. Now see what happened. One immutable person I taken, it is also part of the main program only. It is also part of the main program only, right? String is equal to exam prep tool, right? So one thing I took here, see main program, it is a global variable main. It is a global variable. So if you want, you can keep in the main itself. Now test of string is exam prep tool passing. Right now, when you go to here, when you go to in the right test function, right, string is equal to ept, you change it, right? And one more, it is immutable. Now new person will be created. Inside function, if you print ept will be printed. Outside person, if you print exam prep will be printed. It looks like call by value, right? Now see this one. This is something about immutable. Example 2 also I done. So please be careful if anyone having doubt. You can execute also. Sir, I have some doubt. You can execute also. Nothing there. Copy. So go here. You can do all possible arrangements, whatever you are thinking here. Paste. Let me adjust first. Let me adjust. Yeah, so I am writing here. If you want, you can transfer this one to main function. No problem. You can transfer to main function. In the main function, you can keep. Okay, so if you want to give some short name, you can keep. Yes, only I am giving. It's also yes, right? So it is also yes. Because instead of writing bigger, I written smaller, nothing there. So here you can write anything. You can write same also, different also, no objection. I write here yes. Here also yes. Remember, for your convenience only, I am running so that you will get the clarity. Okay, fine. Afterwards, print inside function. Yes. Okay, everything is fine. Now you want to print address. You can print also, no objection. You print address also. Print, print ID of yes. Print id of yes. Yes, I copied. You want many places, yeah, so I will write here many places. I will write so that you can verify. So same person only will go here, same person only will go here. After printing, you see is no more same, is different. So for your convenience, I'm giving printing numbers also. You check one here, right? So go here, two here, same problem like previous. Here you can check here 3 here, right? Afterwards you can check here 4th here. After you can check here 5th here, right? I think everything ready. I hope no bug. I hope no bug will be there. So let me show my face also. Let me show my face also. Yeah, I'm showing, right? Perfect, everything perfect. Let's check. Now see the first printf. See the first printf one time. Address is 1344 1344. Second, right? Second also. As soon as it will go to the test function, starting address same. Now you try to modify it. You modified the s. You try to modify the s. When you try to modify the s, so it is immutable, na? It is immutable. New object is created and the new object modification is done. Now print new object or not. Yes, it is a new object. New object is printed. That is the third statement. Afterwards, print what value will be printed. Of course, local variable only will be printed. Yes, ept will be printed. So I printed ept, right? When you come back, so outside function exam prep tool will be printed. Is excellent. Check once if anyone having doubt. The story what is going on is parameter passing techniques in the Python language. right? Call by value look like a call by value for immutable, call by reference for mutable, right? But initially look like call by reference only, but internally based on mutable, immutable differences are there, right? Now to get the more clarity, I think immutable you done. Let's go to mutable. Let's go to mutable, right? So see this one, mutable objects. So mutable objects also I written, see this one. If you modify a mutable object through the reference, see this. If you modify a mutable object through the reference inside the function, these changes will be reflected in the original object outside the function because both variables are pointing to the same object. This behavior resembles call by reference. Starting look like a call by reference. If it is immutable, it internally finally leads to call by value. If it is mutable, it's a call by reference only, right? One example to get the clarity: originals are affecting call by reference. Originals are not affecting call by value, right? So can you see this example also? For you, I made one example. For you, I made one example. I can run also. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Because in the examination these only will come. In the exam you will play game. In the exam you will play game. So please be careful. In the exam you will play game. Let me adjust it. Let me adjust this. Yeah. So this is the main. Now you will see the little more clarity. Everyone see. You will see the little more clarity. Everyone see now, right? This, I think everyone know. Everyone know. List is a mutable. List is a mutable person. Everyone know. Now you will see the good clarity. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Good clarity. You will see now. Print idea of data. Fine. Same thing. Let me copy. I will paste here also. I will paste here also. After change also I will do. Yeah, everything fine. So I will give print numbers also same. But remember, originals are affecting. Originals are affecting. That is called call by reference. I want to say this. Originals are affecting call by reference. Originals are not affecting call by value. Right, now come here, run it. So hope so there is no error. Now observe. Now observe everyone. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. I feel everyone observe here. So if you see data is equal to 1, 2, 3. If you see data is equal to 1, 2, 3. Print 1 comma ID. So first I printed address. When I printed address, na 7536 printed. Okay, starting address printed 7536. I am very happy for that. Next one, you called the function, it went there. You called the function, it went there. Right now, I printed, let me see here. It is, I think if you want, I will change here. My list place, I will write data only. Right? And here data only. You can write whatever name you want. Actual parameter name, formal parameter name need not be same. You can write whatever you want. Right? No objection at all. So I'm writing same name. Now observe here. So first I done this. Careful everyone. See the beauty. See the beauty. First I done 2160 printed here. In the main function, if I print the data address 2160, afterwards I went to the function. Starting I printed the 2160. Now I changed it. Data append 4. I added for the list. No, I added. It will add at the end. Modify the original list object. Then what happened is I printed it right after modification. I printed it because of it is a mutable. You can modify also same address. Afterwards, I printed. See inside function I printed data. It's printed initially actually 1 2 3. Now 1 2 3 4 printed. After coming also 1 2 3 4. That means originals are affecting. Originals are affecting. Let me go and write. So two examples we done. Immutable two example. Example 1, example 2 we done. Right, that's okay. Immutable story completed. Now see the mutable story. Now see the mutable story. What is that one? Originals will not affect. Previously, now originals will affect. That is the first one. Second one, it modifies. It modifies. In original, this is call by reference. So Python programming finally look like two ways. Parameter passing technique in Python look like two ways. Call by reference, it look like for mutable. Call by value for the immutable people. Immutable people. Right? So I think here two examples are there. Let's see. Let's see. I think one example I done. Be careful. Example 3. Example 3 for that. I executed also. You can check. I executed also. You can check. So example 3 we done. We done the example 3. Right? Example 3 we done. Next one. Let's go to example 4. Let's go to example 4. For everything I given two examples. Right, let's go to example 4. This is example 4. See once again see. One more list I took. I called the function. Okay, go there. So in the list I appended one more element. I think same thing like that. Print inside. So I think already 40. Now you add 50. 50 also printed. See, same thing printed twice. Same thing printed twice. You can use in the place of list, you can use dictionary also. Right? In the place of the list, you can use dictionary also because that is also mutable. You can use sets also. You can use tuple, you cannot use. Right? List you can use, dictionary you can use, sets also you can use, all mutable things you can use. Right? So I think that is the final conclusion. See this one. In essence, Python consistently passes objects by reference, objects references by value, but the implications this depend on the mutability of the object being referenced. In Python, objects are categorized as either mutable, immutable based on what their state can be modified or not. So these are immutable objects. These are immutable objects. Please be careful. Immutable objects are those, right? See this one. Immutable objects are those value or state cannot be changed once they created. Any operation that appears to modify an immediate object actually results in the creation of a new object with the modified value. Right? This is mutable objects also. See the mutable objects. Right? These are the mutable objects. These are mutable objects. Right, next one. Mutable objects are those value or state can modify right after they created without creating a new object. Changes are made directly into the existing object in the memory. Right. So examples. Remember, if anyone is created some using object oriented things, user can create their own data types using object oriented stuff. user can create their own data types. So user things, right? See this one. These are custom objects means user created things. Instances of user defined classes are generally mutable by default unless specifically designed to be immutable. So if anything you created, right, these are the predefined thing. Whatever we are using, mutable, immutable, they are the predefined thing. These are predefined, immutable. These are predefined, mutable. But user created things are, right, by default mutable. Mutable by default. User created stuff is by default mutable unless specifically designed to be immutable. So please be careful. That is the parameter passing technique. Very simple. I want to explain. Right. So this article is there in the right ExamPrepTool website. Just to go to GateDA, you type in the Python, you will get it. Right. Now let's move to, I think, 11 completed. So 2 examples I given. Parameter passing technique. I think everyone got it. Everyone got it. Please be careful, right? Within few days, right? I will give the very good problems also on that. Please be comfortable. Please be comfortable this topic. Parameter passing techniques in Python. Right? It looked like initially reference only. Call by reference only. It initially looked like call by reference only. Right, based on afterwards. Initially, in the first step, it looked like call by reference only. In the second step, if it is mutable, right, I think call by reference only. If it is immutable, call by value. Starting call by reference, but afterwards, if you go inside, actual picture will come. If it is mutable, reference only will continue. If it is immutable, call by value. So final conclusion is immutable, call by value, mutable, call by reference. It looked like initially call by reference. But if you go to the second step, you will get the more clarity. Right? Fine. Now that is the one thing which I want to say to you. Okay, fine. In the last class we seen functions. How many actual parameters you are passing, those many formal parameters should be there. How many actual, those many formal. Right? Be careful. How many actual, those many formal. Right? Let me see that also. Right? I'm writing. Let me write here. Actual parameters, formal parameter. Actual parameters and formal parameters. So please be careful. Actual parameters and formal parameter. Let's discuss a little bit about this. This also required. Let's discuss about this. Actual parameters and formal parameter. Let me discuss this also. Be careful everyone. For that also I created. Right? Let me do one small thing. Yeah, I'm minimizing. So just to go to ExamPrepTool, see this one, ExamPrepTool website, you go, GateDA you type, or placement also you type, GateDA or placement you type. When you type GateDA, afterwards you type Python, you will find out actual parameter and formal parameter. This one you will find out. We will discuss this. We will discuss one important thing I want to say to you. So this is a very nice article, right? I written for you only. So let me make more now. Let me make more size. Yeah, fine. Now observe. Normally what happened is, see this one. Normally what happened is, this is the function. Everyone observe. Normally what happened is, this is the function. This is called fixed parameter. See, fixed parameter. In Python language, there is a fixed parameter concept. There is a variable parameter concept. See, there is a variable parameter concept. Fixed parameter and default parameters. One more concept. One more thing is variable concept also there. Arbitrary arguments also there. There are 3 stories. Variable length parameters. There are 3 things are there. Right? So what is the first thing? Fixed parameters. What is the second thing? Default parameters. What is the third thing? Variable length parameters. There are three stories are there. We will see one by one story. We will see one by one story. You know very well. It is a normal. This is what we discussed yesterday. Yesterday we discussed this only. See everyone. See everyone. See everyone. Comments. Don't think much. Comment. Don't think much. I will execute also. Comment. Don't think much. I am copy pasting. See. I will execute also. Please be careful, everyone. Please be careful, everyone. Don't confuse. Very simple it is. Paste. Right? So many comments are there. Let me adjust. Let me adjust. Let me adjust here. Yeah, those are, it look like a very big program. It's nothing there. It's look like a very big program. It's nothing. Can you see this one? Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. It's a very simple problem. It's a very simple problem. Yeah. So if you observe clearly, from the main you are calling a function add 2 comma 3. From the main you are calling add 2 comma 3. See, two actual parameters you are sending. These are called actual parameter. Two actual parameter you are sending 2 comma 3 at the receiver to two formal parameter a comma b. Two, right? Two parameters you are sending at the receiver, two parameters are waiting. Then return a plus b, no issue. But here, see this one. Actually, here two people are waiting. You send only one person. There is a problem. If you want, you can run it. When I run this one, there is a error. See. When two formal parameters are waiting, how can you send one actual parameter? There is a issue. Right? There is a issue. Please be careful. There is a issue. So number of actual parameter is equal to number of formal parameter. Let me write that. Right? See this one. In fixed parameter story, as I mentioned to you, there are three stories. Fixed parameter story. Be careful, everyone. Normally, every programming language follow this one. Fixed parameter story. Fixed parameter story. What it means? Number of actual parameters. Number of actual parameters is equal to number of formal parameter. Please be careful. Right? Fixed parameter. Number of actual parameters is equal to number of formal parameters. So we are talking in Python language actual parameters and formal parameter. Python language actual parameter, formal parameter we are discussing. Right? Fixed parameters. Right? There is one concept called fixed parameter. What it means? Number of actual parameters is equal to number of formal parameter. See this example. See this example. Two people are going, received by two people, no issue. Next one person going, received by two people, issue there. That is the reason you got error. Missing one parameter. In the add function, missing one parameter. You cannot do like this. You cannot do like this. Right? Please be careful. I hope everyone is comfortable until here. I hope everyone is comfortable until here. Now I am going to the another story. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. One example I done for fixed parameter. Let's see the second example also. Let's see the second example also. Right? Same. See this one. Example 1, example 2. Right? Example 2 going on. It is a main function. From main function, you call the greet function where two parameters you are passing. Received by two people. No issue at all. Right? So you called the greet function by passing two parameters. One is string, another one is integer. Received by two people. Two people going, received by two people, no issue at all. Then you don't face any problem. So that is the example 2. So, right, fixed parameter, two examples I done. If you have any doubt, you can check. So that's okay. That is the one story. That is the one story, you already got it. That is the one story, you already got it. Be careful. Be careful. Now come to little more story. What is that one? Default parameters. What it is? Default parameters. What it is? Can you see this? What exactly this is? It's interesting. It is interesting. So default parameter, I will give some examples also. Can you see this default parameter? Everyone observe here. Default parameter. See this one. You are passing one person. You are passing one person. That's okay. But received by two people. Sir, I passed only one person. Na? How received by two people? So by default, one value already there. If you don't pass, no problem. First person will go to first person. See, first. This one, this one, first person. You are not passing second one by default there. How to represent by default? B equal to second person, right? Second person which you didn't send, that person name is B, its value is 10. So if you see print AB, it will be printed. So I will do whatever code is going on, in that I will do small changes. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Add 2, 3, add 2. Now observe carefully. Now observe carefully here. So I think I am doing some adjustment here. You will get the full clarity. Can you see everyone? Interesting. Can you see everyone here? Interesting one. First, what I will do is see everyone. I am keeping here. Make sure everyone listen. 2 I am making. So yeah, 2 I am sending. 2 will go here. Careful. 2 will go here. Guarantee now error message will come. Everyone know. Guarantee everyone know error message will come. 2, 3. Okay, 4. Here 3 parameters I am sending. Here 2, here 1. Now understand once. 2 going. Okay. So first person will be received by first person. When I call the first function by passing 2, 2 will be received by A. But one more person waiting. You didn't send. So what default parameters will do is B is equal to, let us assume 200. Now return A plus B. So until now everyone, let's see this one. I am keeping this as a comment. Now let me run it. Interesting one. Let me run. Return A plus B, but no printf is there. So nothing will be printed. So I will try for your convenience. Let me write now. C. Afterwards print C. For your convenience. Print C. So first C will be printed. Now see the interesting story. So what is printed? You are returning A plus B. A value 2. B value is 200. 202 will be written. C contain 202. Print C. 202 will be printed one time. Now when you call second time, add 2, 3. Yeah, some people are asking, add 2, 3. What will print Redis? Redis are here. What it will print? So what it will print here is, right? I think you are passing both the parameter. But already here default has 200 there, it will be overwritten. So now see what will happen. Yeah, everyone observe. See what will happen here. So here if you observe clearly, print D, I think 5 will be printed. So in my opinion, first one 202 will be printed. Second one 5 will be printed. Can you check one time? Is it coming same or not? Can you verify one time? Right, check one time. Is it working or not? Let's verify here. Everyone observe. First 202 will be printed. Next 5 will be printed. First 20 will be printed. Next 5 will be printed. Please be careful. First 202. Next 5 will be printed. So what I mean to say is, right? See this one. If number of formal parameters are 2, with default arguments. How can I say default arguments? Like this will be there. Default arguments behavior is like this. It will be like this. So number of formal parameters are 2 with default arguments. Then maximum 2 parameters you can pass. You can pass one also. See this one. I think first person compulsory. Because there is no default. First person is not default argument. First person compulsory. Second person you may send. You may not send. If you send, overwriting will take in place. If you don't send by default already, right, it is there, it will be taken. Now some people are asking, sir, one fixed person is there, one default person is there, only two maximum I can send. Sir, if I send three, you will get error. If you send three, you will get error. Can you check? Surely you will get error. See, yeah, takes from 1 to positional argument, but the 3 were given. So there is a error. There is a error. Please be careful. Please be careful. So right, default arguments, we done one problem. Default arguments, we done one problem. Right? So see this one. I think these two people don't have any issue, but if I add fun 5, 20, 30, there is a problem. So first one, right? First one, B uses as a default one. So A is 5 going, A 5 going, B is default, 5 plus 10, 15, 15, right? 15 will be printed. But second one, that A will be 5 only, but B 10 there, na? 20 will be overwritten. So overwriting will take place. Now can you see the example 2 also for the default arguments? So see this one, greet default function call, I just passed one parameter Bob, but actually here two people there. Name will be taken, name contain Bob, that's okay, but this is not pass. Because if you didn't pass it, it will take by default, then it will print it. So print greeting means hello will be printed. So name, so fetching going on, see. Right? So I think it will print greetings, hello will come, name Bob will come. So hello Bob. Output is hello Bob will be printed. Right? Fine. Perfect. So that is the first one. Can you see the second one? Two people you are sending. So two people will take. Right? The default argument will be overwritten. Right? That is also fine. I'm thinking default argument, two examples are there. I done it. So let me go to the default. Default arguments, number of actual parameters less than or equal to number of formal parameter. Formal parameters may be more. Number of actual parameter less than or equal to number of formal parameter. So see this one. This is 1. This may be 2. This is 2. This may be 2. But here if you observe, it is 1. It is 1. It is 2. It is 2. So like that. So two examples I done. Example 1 I done. Example 2 also I done. Right? Fine. But I'm thinking that everyone is comfortable with this. Right? The topic is actual parameter and formal parameter in Python language. Right? Please be careful. Please be careful. Now see the next one. In EPT 2026 gate examination, if you see in EPT 2026, most of the people in EPT toppers, if you observe, most of the people, they got the gate rank in 6 to 12 months. Most of the people got in 6 to 12 months. Not 1%, 2%. Most of the people got in the first attempt itself. I am guiding from 2007. I am guiding from 2007. Most of my students got in the first attempt itself. 6 to 12 months only. 6 to 12 months they are attempting. They are getting the rank. So Aman Kumar, this year Aman Kumar got 5th rank from the EPT. Razu got 7th rank. Right? So Utkarsh got 12th rank, 16, 23 on. So most of the people, so this person, see, first attempt itself he got 37. In the third year itself he got 37. Third year itself he got 43. Third year itself he got 54. First attempt itself. You no need to do PhD. If you want to crack the gate examination, no need to do PhD. Aditya, first attempt itself got. Within 5 months he got. This person, right? Shubham got within 8 months. Within 8 months he got 29th rank in the first attempt itself. Nikhil got first attempt itself 70. First attempt itself, Nikhil got 70. So next one is Prakash, right? Venkata Durga Prakash, right? He got first attempt itself 160. First attempt itself, Leela got 208. First attempt itself, Krishna got 235. First attempt itself, Tarun got 240. First attempt itself, Mahindra got 256. I request everyone, don't waste years and years. Forget one nice, one sincere attempt you do. So Neha got within 6 months. Sai Kiran got within 8 months, right? 381 in the first attempt itself. Most of the people got in the first attempt. Next one, Rahul got first attempt itself. That to third year itself. I request everyone, please work hard. Please do sincere attempt. You are going to be the winner. So Samarth got in the first attempt itself, 1282 rank. First attempt itself. First attempt itself, you can crack. If you follow whatever EPT teachers are saying, in the first attempt itself, you can clear it out. For one of the university, we give in the training, right? They got in the top 100. Top 100 itself, they got these many rank from single classroom. They called a few days back, they done the felicitation ceremony. So I thought of showing to you, I done this. Now, next one, can you see this one? Batch number 11, going to start 25th of this month. 25th of this month, batch number 11 going on. Right? 80% discount going on. Please use it. Batch number 11, 25th of this month is going to start. Batch number 11, 25th of this month going to start. So it's going to be, right? Batch number 11, 25th of this month going to be happen. Right? Subject we will inform as soon as possible. Right? This is the current status. 80% discount going on. Use this code. Use this code. 80% of discount is going on. Use this code. I request everyone. Use this code. 80% get. Batch number 11 going to start 25th of this month. If you selected for any interview, inform to us. We are going to conduct a mock interview. These are the EPT faculty. It's a collection of, right, experienced people and rankers. That is the reason EPT students are getting within 6 to 12 months only. They are cracking the GATE exam. Within 6 to 12 months only. EPT students are cracking GATE examination within 6 to 12 months. That is the reason. In the first attempt itself, they are cracking. So EPT team, if you observe clearly, so I have 18 years of experience. Umas are having 20 years of experience. Deras are having 15 years of experience. Abhinav 3 years of experience and he is the All India rank 1. Sachin sir, 10 years of experience. He is from IISc Bangalore. Shilpa madam, she is from IIT Kharagpur. Right, 256 rank and right, and she's teaching from last 5 years. Nidhi madam, 5 years experience. Deadlock teacher, right, 150 GATE rank, right, and he's studied from IIT Bombay. Shubham sir, right, he got All India rank 29. Nidhi madam, from last 3 years she is teaching. She is from IIT Kharagpur. So in the YouTube, C programming is free, you can see that. Python programming also free, you can see that. So you can join whatever course you like, right? Or GATE courses, you can go combo course, everything you will get. Next one is going to be GATE and placement, you can do. That is the reason in the EPT, most of the people are cracking GATE also, placements also. Regular course you can join, GATE foundation course you can join for GATE test series, mentorship, and GATE and placements also you can join. Right, so remember 80% discount going on, it is going to be eliminated, right? I think in few more days, please utilize it. So batch number 11, remember batch number 11. And one more thing is mentorship session. Every weekend there is a mentorship session. We are going to give next week target, next month target. That is the reason EPT students are able to crack exam in the first attempt itself. Every weekend we will give target. Every weekend we are going to give target. Right, every month also we're going to. That is the reason many EPT people are cracking GATE exam. Why? Right, we are guiding every week, I can say. Every week, every month, we are giving targets, we are guiding. That is the reason EPT students are cracking the GATE examination so easily in first attempt itself. So 6,000 verified questions are there, 3,000 gate PYQs, AIR1 handwritten notes is there, doubt solving also there. Please utilize. All lectures are in English only, live plus recorded, daily quizzes there, doubt solving also there, gate PYQs, right? Mentorship is there, and strategy sessions should also be there. So these are the people who cracked big MNCs, FANG based company from EPTs, big MNCs, big PSUs, FANG based companies. And if you want the placement courses, DSA course you can join, DSA plus system design course you can join, DSA Super 50, Super 300, Super 600, mock interviews, right? Programming languages, full stack, right? Web and app development, complete front end course, right? All the things you can learn. I hope you got it. Now come to next story. We are in the middle of the story. Come to the next story. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Come to the next story. Be careful. So this story is completed. Default parameters also completed. Now can you observe? One more important thing is coming. Can you observe here? Arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments. So this example, with the help of this example, I will try. With the help of this example, I will try. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. Everyone observe. It's a very interesting problem. So first, let me write here. Arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments. What exactly it is, you will see this. Arbitrary arguments. What exactly? Right? I will explain. Careful. Careful, everyone. So here C is equal to add 2, print 2, print C, that is okay. D is equal to add 2, 3, print D, that is also okay. Next one, add 2, 3, 4, add 2, 3, 4. All the things we will see now. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. Everyone observe here. See this. Make sure everyone have to listen. Remove this. Write here star. Some name I have to write. Some name I have to write. Let us assume that I am writing some name. Some name I am writing ARG. Anything you can write. Anything you write. Star, you have to write star. Star ARG. Star ARG. What it will do is, it will take whatever you will give. If you pass one person, it will take one person. It will take two people. If you pass two people, it will take two people. If you pass three people, it will take three people. Whatever you pass, it will take. Whatever you pass, it will take. But remember here, there may be a big group. There may be so many people here. See, only one person coming, he will take. Right? Now what I will do is, let's check once. Let's check once here. Print ARG. See, let's see what will happen. Here I am keeping, right, like that. Print ARG. What it will print? Let's see. Run. Everyone observe. Very interesting story. Very interesting story is coming. A very interesting story coming. First printf. Second printf. Right. Let's see third printf also. Third printf also. See the third printf. Remove that. Third printf also. 3 and E maybe. E is equal to. It is E. It is E. Now let me run it. What will happen? Right? Careful everyone. Careful everyone. Print this. Anything is coming. Yeah, see this one. You are not, from this function, you are not returning anything. From this function, you are not returning anything. That is the reason nothing is coming here. Within few minutes, I will adjust. Within few minutes, I will adjust. Can you see here? Everyone observe. Can you see here? Can you see here? You are passing one. You are passing one. You are passing one. So one will go. Print arcs. First one will be printed. First one will be printed. You are passing 1, 2, 3, 4. All will go, all will be printed. Now some people are asking, sir, how to access them? How to access them? Because of many people, you can access like this. How? Use the loop. Right? I printed, okay. Now use the loop. See how I am using. For I in numbers. Or arg, no? Arg keep. ARG. For I in arg. S is equal to S plus I. S is equal to S plus I. The next one, return S. So what is the S? One local variable. S is initially 0. I think everything is fine now. Now you will get the absolutely actual story. Absolutely actual story you will get. See everyone. When you call first time, right? So I think only one parameter is came. So that is printed 2. If you want, I can give the printf statement also. So let's see this. Let's see everyone. Everyone see here. So this is first printf. To be frank, it is the first printf we are doing. Because that it's a for loop, no? Many times you are calling, right? Yeah, okay. I think whatever numbers you given, that's okay. Let's start now. Careful, everyone careful. See the function. C is equal to add of 2. So 2 will go. So arg contain 2. So 2 printed. First 2 printed, that's okay. Now one for loop is started. How many times? One time only. S is equal to S plus 2. Return S. So first printf, if you observe, 1 comma 2 printed. So one is the print number. So C place 2 will be printed. Now call add 2 comma 3. When you call add 2 comma 3, arg contain 2 people. So 2, 3 will be printed. Remember this function, this one, right? Star arg. Whatever is coming, it will store in the form of a tuple. Whatever is coming, it will store as a tuple. Be careful, it will store as a tuple. So see, all outputs are coming tuple. It will store as a tuple. Whatever is coming, it will store as a tuple. One element also tuple. Right? Next one, I think 2, 3 went. So 2, 3 is printed. Afterwards, can you see this one? S is equal to S plus I. I think those 2 will be added. So 5. So second printf, if you observe, 2 comma D. So 2 comma 5 will be printed. 2 comma 5 or 2 comma 2? Let's see. Okay, here is small mistake. At the end of the for loop, you have to return. Now let's check. So, right, first one, if you observe, 2 will go, 2 printed, afterwards 1 comma 2. Second one, if you observe, 2, 3 will go, 2, 3 printed, so output is 2 plus 3 is 5. See the third one one time. 2, 3, 4 went. So 2, 3, 4 printed first. Afterwards, these 3 people add 5 plus 4, 9. So this is the answer. Remember star or right? Star you have to keep any name. No objection at all. Star keep any name. So the purpose of this one is any number of argument. Arbitrary number of arguments you can pass. Right? That is the purpose of this. Arbitrary number of arguments you can pass. So what is the notation? Let me write now. Some simple example. See the simple example. Definition, some function, okay. Here you write star anything. Star any name you give. Star any name. Right? Inside if you see print any name. Print any name if you do. Let's see, it's a main program. From the main program I called fun 1. So here first time it will print 1, it will print. If I called fun, 1, 2, 3, it will print second time, 1, 2, 3. So if I call fun, one, two, three, four, 5, and 6, no boundary at all. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will print like this. Arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments. Right? Just you have to keep star any name. Star any name. Please be careful. So output is tuples. Output is tuples. Output is tuples. So how to access tuples? I think you can take for loop and you can take one by one. Right? Okay, that is the one thing. And one more thing also there. Listen, one more thing also there. Please understand once. Right? Any number of arguments you can pass, no objection at all. Any number of arguments you can pass, no objection at all. No objection. Right? No objection at all. There is one more way is there. One more way is there. Please understand. Please understand this. Very interesting. Very interesting. See this. Make sure everyone listen this. Make sure everyone listen. One more way. One more way is there. I will explain that also. One more way is there. I will explain that also. Please have a patience. Otherwise, I can show that example. See the example. This is the one way we are already done. See this one. Variable length keyword parameters. I will write that name also. Let me write the name. Variable length keyword parameters. What it means, we will see. Keyword parameters. This is also one more story in the parameter passing technique. Variable length keyword parameter. Right? Here also it is also variable length. Variable length arguments. But here variable length of keyword parameter. Here variable length parameters. Variable length parameters. Arbitrary variable, both are same. Right? Variable length parameters here variable length keyword parameter. What it is, right? You can see now. What it is, you can see now. See everyone. One time see. You have to send in the form of, see this one. You have to send in the form of key and value. It is key. This X is key. This is value. You have to send like this. Right, in this format, but you have to keep double star. You have to keep double star. You are passing in the form of key value format. Key value format you have to send. You have to send key value format. Please understand. Right, now I will execute one problem. You will get clarity. Right, so this entire thing, let me remove. It's not required. Remove it. Okay, I remove. Now see this one. Careful everyone. Yeah, I'm writing here. A equal to, assume. Next one, A is equal to, you done? Now here I'm writing. A is equal to 2, B equal to 3. That's okay. Next one, here. A equal to 2, B equal to 3, F equal to something. But remember, you have to keep double star here. Double star, anything. Double star, you have to keep a double star. Because see, everywhere pairs are coming. That is the reason double star. Everywhere pairs coming. See, this is the pair. Everywhere pair is coming. That is the reason double star. Right? I think now everything is ready. Now let me run it. And one more thing is, you are not returning anything. There may be chance that you will get a none. There may be chance that you will get none. Right? There may be chance. There may be chance. We'll see. We'll see within few minutes what exactly should be done. Right? Otherwise, what I can do is print all the prints. I can keep calm. Right? Comment. Right? Now start. Now start what will happen. So if you observe clearly, first time, see when you call this function first time, when you call this function first time, you are sending a is equal to 2. So you are printing arg, right? A is equal to 2. But when you are sending second time, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Two pairs you are sending. So two pairs are printed. But do you believe or not? Output is coming as a dictionary. Output as coming as a dictionary. If you send pairs, output will come as a dictionary. Right? So on the dictionary, whatever operations you want, you can do, no objection. You can take only keys, you can take only values, right? You can take only keys, you can take only values, whatever you want, you can, whatever operation you want, you can do here. Whatever operation you want, you can do here. On the dictionary, what operations you can do? Do all operations. Right? Do all the operations, whatever you wish you can do. On the dictionary, what operations you want to do. But the interesting thing is in this new format, right? See, keyword parameter. You have to keep name. You have to keep the keyword name also. Keyword is X. Right? Parameter is 10. Keyword is Y. Parameter is 20. Like that you are sending. Right? I hope you people got it. So dictionary format, it will be there. Right? All the dictionary things, whatever you want to apply, you can apply. On the dictionary, whatever you want to do, all the things you can apply, no objection at all. Keys, if you want keys, you go. Right? If you want keys, you can go for the keys, no objection at all. But whatever you want, you can do it. So this is the thing. This is the thing, right? What you have to do. Fine. I hope everyone got clarity. So remember, I'm just concluding here. See this DEF, some function, double star anything, just go here. See this one. Let me check here. Print anything. So from main function, if you call, see the main function, some function I called, a is equal to 2 I sent, then output is going to be dictionary format a colon 2. So suppose if I say fun a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 4, then you will get the dictionary a2, b3, c4, like that. Dictionary, what you can do on dictionary, you can do. So remember, dictionaries, these are dictionaries. So variable length parameter, this is also variable length, because you can give any. I given one person here, I given 3 people here. So above also variable, these two also variable. So I'm writing here variable length parameter. So one is this model, one is variable length keyword parameter. Both are same model, but here pairs. If you want to send pair format, variable length, this also variable length, this also variable length, this also variable length. Right? It is the second one. This also variable length, this also variable length. Right? It is a variable length only parameter, but here variable length keyword parameter. Here output is coming as a dictionary. Here output is coming as a tuple. And one here is this one. If you observe here there is no names are there, no mapping. Directly you are sending one, no names there here, but here names are there. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4, like that you are doing mapping. Right? This is the only difference. Right? Tomorrow, if possible, I may give, right, whatever examples possible. Remember, in today's class, I want to say few things to you. What are those? Right? Let me go here. Today's class, I done one excellent thing. Those articles are there in the EPT website. You can go and check. Today's class, I done parameter passing technique in Python. That's one topic. And one more thing is arguments. Actual parameter, formal parameter, what is the relation, right? Arguments. So there are 4 types. If you see, there are 4 types, right? Fixed length, that is one model, and one more default parameters, that is one more model. Variable length, which internally contain 2 parts, right? One variable length give just no names, right? No names, you have to pass like this, right? It will give tuples, but then 1 star. If you want to pass in the form of pairs, right? 2 stars required because of pairs, 2 stars required, and output is dictionary. What operation I can do dictionary? In the dictionary chapter we are already studied. What operations we can do on tuples? In the tuple chapter we are already discussed. Please go and check. I hope you liked it. Those, if you like it, right? You can comment in the comment section. Sir, I really liked it and all. You can comment in the comment section. It will be, right? It's very good. I done the coding also, right? For your convenience, wherever doubt is there, you can also do coding. I don't want to teach blindly. So I done the coding also, necessary place, right? You can also write, right? If anyone thinks that coding I not required to you, just skip it. That coding part you can skip it. Right? Fine. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Right? See you in the next class. Right. Bye.